Hey, you guys. All right, so for our upcoming week of DGP, you guys should have gotten our sentence as like a worksheet in your orange remote folder. So I'll just have you guys fill it out there. I'll still post videos and everything for you, but just fill it out on that worksheet and then you can return it with your orange folder the following week. Okay, you guys? All right, so our new sentence for the week is today men and women compete and win in the Olympics. So as usual, I want you to look through and see if you can find the nouns and verbs. In this sentence, we have 3 nouns and we have 2 verbs. So hopefully, knowing that a noun is a person, place, or thing, you can quickly identify that men and women are both nouns, and those will be both common nouns. So we will label those with lowercase n's. And then hopefully you spotted that Olympics is a thing. Now, Olympics is a specific game, a specific name of a specific game, so it is a proper noun. So we will note that with a capital N. All right, this week our verbs are action verbs. So these are things that we can see nouns do. Like, for instance, I can see somebody or something compete, and I could see somebody or something win. So these are going to be our action verbs, which we will label with A, V. All right, hopefully we recall from previous weeks that the word the is an article. So that should be a quick one for us to catch. Now we're left with the words today and again, and the word in. So if we go to our big scary packet on our day 1 notes, let's do the word and since it appears twice in our sentence. If we scroll down to conjunction, hopefully we might recall from previous years the Schoolhouse Rock conjunction junction, what's your function? And in fact, I might just go ahead and link that video for today as well because it is such a good video. But we have these things called conjunctions. And there's a cute little acronym to help remember them, fanboys. That stands for and, not, but, or, yet, so. Now, so these coordinating conjunctions, they combine ideas together, and we'll get more into this as we start talking about especially compound sentences. These will be really crucial, but we see the word and is here, and is a coordinating conjunction, and we will use CC for coordinating conjunction to note that. So, and will be CC. And just as I'm going through, you can go ahead and mark your worksheet paper. I know on here I've been saying day 1 on the worksheet that we hand out. It's noted with colors. So like our first day, we've been calling our green day. All right, this leaves us with the word today and the word in. The word in, let's go back to our big scary packet, is something called a preposition. Now we'll talk a little bit more about what prepositions are tomorrow, but more or less the gist of it is that it shows the relationship between a noun and some other part of the sentence. And if we look through here, this is just a list of a bunch of different prepositions. This is not the complete list, there are a ton more, but as we can see here, the word in is in that list. So in is going to be a preposition, which we will note with P-R-E-P, prep. Oops, gotta make that a little bit bigger. Okay, there we go. And finally, we have the word today. Now, we've talked a little bit about adverbs so far this year. Where are they at? Oh, here we are. Okay, so adverbs modify adjectives, verbs, and other adverbs. But it can also tell how, when, where, and to what extent. So the word today tells us when. It answers this question. When are men and women competing in the Olympics? Well, they're competing today. So today is going to be an adverb, which we will denote with ADV. Okay, So that is it for identifying the parts of speech for our sentence today. So go ahead and make sure it's filled out correctly on your worksheet, and then you can just tuck that away until tomorrow. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.